Hello everyone, welcome back with FreeCAD Basic Part Design tutorials for exercise number 26. Okay, here I will create new part and don't forget to change into part design. Create a new body and create sketch. I will choose a top plane. Use this tools, art from center point, and I will click start from this point. Okay, we create again in here. The next in the left. And then in the right here. You can use line tools to create line in here. We create 4 lines. And then use this constraint tangent. You can connect between points, lines, and arcs. You can click one by one. These are points. The next, I will use this horizontal dimension to set a distance from this point into here. You can set into 90. And then from this point into here, you can set into 180. Okay. Use this tool, we can set dimensions, radius in this arch. You can set into 72. Also at this point, 72. The next for this arch, we can set into 20, and in here 20. Create circle, start from the center point, and then we can set radius. For the circle, we can set into 12, in here 12, and we can create circle in a center point. We can set radius into 50. You can close, and then we can use pad tools to convert into 3D with a length 10. Click OK. Click create body, and I will active for origin 1. You can press space button to active the origin, and you can click here addendum plane. Okay, for reference, we can select this axis. Now for Z direction, we can set into 10. Click OK. The next, select at this plane. Click create sketch. I will create circle. Okay, start from this point. We create 2 circle, and I will set for radius in the circles into 60. And the next circle we can set into 50. Click close. We create new sketch. You can click here and choose this plane. Click OK. The next, I will create line. Start from this point to the top, and then from this point you can move to the right here. Now you can use this fillet tools. We create fillet at this point. And I will set with this vertical dimension. We can set this 10 from this point into here. We can set into 10, and then from this point to here, we set into 150. We also can set again from this point into here, 150. Sorry, in here we can change into horizontal dimensions, and we can set into 150. For radius, in here we can set into 92. Okay, you can close, and then I will hide for origin 1. You can select and press space buttons. You also click in here, then press space button to hide. And in this point, we can select for sketch 1. Use sweep tools. Click here, sweep, and you can select objects. We select this object. Click OK. So it will be automatically sweep the objects. The next, I will select this body. You can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste. Okay, we create this body too. Right click and choose transforms. Okay, we set into default for transform, and you can move to the top here. You also can rotate in green axis. okay, 90 degree. And then we rotate again in right axis into 90 degree. You can move in blue axis to this point, and then move in right axis to here. So you can orbit, and we move again in right axis to the bottom here. The next you can click OK, so it will be automatically move. And to combine in this all objects, you can select this body ones. Use combine tools. Okay, you can click here, boolens, and add body. You can select this body. Click add body again. You can select this body. Click OK, and it will be automatically combined into one. The next you can use a fillet command. Okay, you can select at this edge. Can zoom in, select this edge. Also at this point, press Ctrl button to select a multiple edge. And we can use a fillet command in here. You can set radius into 10. Click OK. Now we already create this simple 3D model for exercise number 26 with the FreeCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.